If you are watching this video right now, I want you to make sure you understand that we are in an era where you could be authentic, you could record and or document what you are doing right now and make a lot of money from it. Before we get into that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Any questions in the comment section, please drop those questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And most importantly, make sure you sub up to the channel. I post videos daily. Now, content creation. If you're not good at it, I recommend you start to get good at it. YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels, getting monetized on YouTube. These are things that I hear that people want, but you got to understand, to get out success, you got to put in hard work. Okay, understand that. It's going to take time for you to make the money that you want to make, but you understand there's a way out of that 9 to 5. There's a way out of being told what to do, when to do it, right? Content creation. We're in a time where all you got to do is create the content. You don't even got to create content. I'm sorry. Just record content and press that button. By recording content, you are putting yourself on a trajectory way better than anyone else next to you, because they're not documenting what they're doing. Some people think that you just got to come up with ideas and make movies. No, it's not that. Record what you're already doing. Then go from there. It's a process, but you got to enjoy the process and understand the process, right? There's no substitute for experience. Understand that. So you got to put that work in, no matter where you are. But understand content creation. If you do it right, you could do content creation anywhere. It is the #1 ranked hustle for anyone, teenagers or adults, to make money online. Certain jobs you can't do in person everywhere, but you can make money online everywhere. Understand that. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. So when you're talking about that, when you understand that the opportunity that you are given, whether you're a teenager or you're new to YouTube, you're living in an age where just all you gotta do is record and you're good. Make content. If I could give you any suggestion leaving this video, I would say create a video every single day. By doing that, woo, you're gonna have amazing success. Had I done that since I was younger, made a video, oh my god. But woulda, coulda, shoulda. I get that. I understand that. So if you know better, you do better. Right now, you're watching this video. I'm telling you how to do better. So now you know better. Start with a 3-minute video every day, then 4-minute, then 5-minute. Understand, long form content is the way. Not short form, not lives, not shorts, not community posts, videos. Long form content is the way. YouTube makes money from ads. So YouTube wants to put money on your videos. The best way it's going to do that, videos. Okay, to make money. Not shorts. Shorts is more for views. Videos is more long-term success. Okay, long-term. It keeps going forever, especially if it's evergreen. Okay, you want evergreen content because evergreen goes on forever. How to squat. We're gonna be squatting the same way forever. Okay, how to lose fat, how to get stronger, how to build muscles. Evergreen content is the ideal type of content you want to put on YouTube if you want to make money online. I want to help everyone who's watching this video understand that if you just get started, and press record, You're doing something a lot of people just can't do, right? Yes, people got to understand you are talking to yourself in a sense, okay? You are talking to yourself, but not really, because you're recording it and you're putting it out there for others to see it. But if you're talking about in reality, yes, you are talking to yourself. That's okay. That's okay. Because you're going to make a lot of money doing it. You're probably going to make way more money than whatever you've been doing. Okay? Understand that. If you got this far in the video, please W in the chat. Sub up. Okay? Don't forget to sub up to this channel. All right? Understand that the more you create, the more success you're going to have on YouTube. If you make one video a month, what type of success are you going to have? Imagine working out once a month. What if you worked out once a week? That'd be better, right? Imagine every day you work out. Imagine you work out twice a day. Imagine you work out 3 times a day. Okay, so now imagine posting content for once a month, once a week, once a day. 3 times a day posting content, right? Understand that. Imagine what you would get out of that. But I've never seen a video, right? And I posted a lot of videos where I see someone be like, you know what? I posted too much and I ain't getting nothing out of it. You're gonna learn from it and you're gonna get what you need from it. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. Understand that's what comes with it. Trial and error. You gotta put content out there and you gotta see what works. Okay? Look at the numbers, go from there. Look at the numbers, go from there. Just keep creating content, and I promise you, you're going to get out of it what you want to get out of it. I encourage everyone who's watching this video to try to find their fan base. And I've said this before, but Taylor Swift has her Swifties, right? You have your community as well. They're out there. You need to find them and they need to find you. But you have your community. Right? You have your fan base out there. They just haven't found you yet because you haven't posted nothing. You can't, it's so much content out there. It's so many content creators. There's so many people posting videos. How in the world are they going to find you over all that? You got to think there's people out there that post consistently all the time. How they going to find you, right? If you only post once a month, once a week. But what if you know what I'm saying, up that at least once a day? I think they could fire you once a day. All right? Once a week? No, I don't think so. Okay? You got to understand what you're dealing with here. Okay? It's a numbers game. The more you put out, the more you're going to get back out of it. Okay? Stream. We're in a day like they wasn't just streaming and making money like this 100 years ago. Understand what type of time you're in right now. Take advantage of it. There ain't nothing like this where this says all you got to do is record whatever you're doing and you're gonna make money from it. You don't get monetized on YouTube from it. Okay? Everyone on here our goal should be to get monetized on YouTube. Make content. All right? Get the most out of it. You already have a YouTube channel because you're watching this video. Get the most out of it. Find your community. Help them find you. You're going to learn a lot. Your goal is to get 1% better every single day. Just 1% better. 1%. Okay? Try to make longer and longer and longer and longer videos. Go for 3, then I said 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You do what you got to do to get up there. But try to make long form content the best you can. You understand? You can make shorts, you can make smaller videos, and you can worry about the other stuff later based off of your long form videos. But that is the secret sauce. Okay? If you're watching this video, understand that. Make long form videos every single day. And you're going to have success on YouTube. It's that simple. Shout out to all the new content creators who's watching this video. Shout out to all the new YouTubers who was watching this video. I truly believe in each and every one of you. Okay? Record your life. Doesn't matter what your life is. Somehow, somewhere, record your life. Do it every day. And see what you get out of it. I guarantee you, you're going to get you'll get more than what you plan for. Okay? Because some people don't realize how under the line they're living anyway, right? Under the means. Tell me what's better. Think about this. Being able to write off your vacations, right? Tax-wise. Write off your car, your house, your vacations, your gadgets, your phones, whatever it may be. Write it all off. Why? Because you made content out of it. You should make content out of your whole life. Think about that. Your whole life is a write-off. The whole life. Don't slip up on this. Don't slip up on this. Take advantage of this. All right? I really want to encourage the younger generation to really take advantage of this, especially if you're listening to this video and you're watching me tell you, like, I posted a lot of videos and I'm telling you, look, sorry, long form videos. I'm getting over a cough, nasty one too. Long form videos is where it's at. Okay, I've watched a lot of videos. I made a lot of videos. And I only like getting advice from the top dogs, Mr. Beast, Ronaldo, like the people that's like historic, who has like statistically like proven how to do this or how to do that, or they have the numbers. Those are videos, and that's the type of content that I'll be watching, the best of the best, right? And I'm just the middleman to tell you guys like the best way to get money. And to make money online, to make money on YouTube, to make money how you want to make money, and to do whatever you want to do. It's hard to get paid to do whatever you want to do. That's what YouTube is. It's basically saying if you post enough content, which is at least once a day, is not, I mean, you go to work every day, don't you? Right? Post content every single day, right? Not 8 hours, right? I didn't say an hour. Post every day. And see what you get out of it. Content creation is your brand. It's you. It's your brand. Everybody needs their own brand, right? Everyone needs their Swifties. Find yours. Sometimes they might find you with videos. Sometimes they might find you through the shorts. It is what it is, right? Like, you got to get yourself out there, right? People got to find out about you. Find out what they like about you, because you got to, it's a numbers game. The more videos you make, the more successful you're going to be. YouTube ain't discriminating. YouTube wants you to be successful so they can make money off of you. They want to put ads in your videos, so make more videos. So they can pay you. So you can get better. Right? For your brand. Your community. We live a short life on earth. So again, take advantage of it. Don't miss out on opportunity to post content like this and get paid for it. I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't know how long that we'll be able to just, post our lives and get away with it. I don't know. But what I do know is this is the number one way to make money. Period. This is the number one way to make money. Okay? With that being said, you can make money a lot of different ways. Okay? You can make money a lot of different ways. But there's also easy ways. Easy ways. Easier ways to make money. Okay? I was having a little autofocus error. But we're gonna keep this thing. We ain't even gonna edit this thing. We're gonna keep it going. I'm on a roll. All right. I need you guys to keep striving to be great. We making money. Okay, we making money. And I catch y'all on the next one. Peace.